Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Calendar to Clockify. It could be Outlook Calendar or Google Calendar. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Clockify account. And once you're in here, go to your username and click on the three dots besides it. Okay. Just click on it and click on Workspace Settings. Now in these tabs, just locate Integrations. Click on it. As you can see here, we have Outlook Calendar and Google Calendar. Now, for example, I'm just going to connect Google Calendar. So I'm going to click on it and go ahead and click on Go to Calendar. Just click on it and wait for a new page to load. Now in here, just go to the top right and click on the gear icon besides Teammates. Okay, click on it. As you can see here, again, we have two options. I'm just going to select Google Calendar. I'm going to hit on Connect. Now a new page will pop up. As you can see here, it will need us to log in. Just go to log in with your Google account and give the necessary permissions right here and hit on Continue. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it says Calendar connected successfully. If you want to disconnect it in the future, just go and click on the three dots and you have the disconnect button right here. And after that, just close this one and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.